Okay, a few days before our trip, and we're ready to go, but we have to do a few things to make sure everything is operational. Obviously, to load the truck, the trailer. In this video, I will focus on generator maintenance. We have the Firman 3650, and I'm going to show you guys what I do to prepare this generator for our next camping trip. Generally speaking, for this one, I will go every 50 hours with oil change. I will check the spark plug every couple of trips, and I will take advantage in clearing the air filter also every trip. And I'll show you how simple is that. So while I'm doing oil change, why not clean the air filter too? So let's get started. I will load them to these two burros, so I have access to the bottom where I need to drain the oil to a lower spot, which I'll use a can. Let's get started. Okay, generator is loaded, ready to go. I will open the back pan so I can get access to the oil change spout. Okay, so the unit is open right now. So I will open this one, and there is a drip pan in the bottom, and I'll make sure that it is open. It's a small window to a drip pan. You can see I just opened it and I have access from the bottom, and I'll drain all the oil to a container. Okay, I repositioned the generator, so between those two tables there is gap and the oil drips in the middle. This is due to the somewhat weird position that they put the oil drain. I took just a bleach bottle. It's empty, and I just cut it in the middle, and I'll just put it just like that upside down so I can catch all the drips and nothing drips on the lawn over here. I just let it drip. Going inside, right?
Yes,
I think that's enough. Okay, when I'm done with the oil, the next thing that I'm doing is the spark plug. I disconnected it already. I have a 3/16 socket, and I use an extension because also on your generator it might be deeper and not closer to the opening. So I use an extension over here, and I'll put the plug out. And the plug is out. Okay, so what I do, I either replace the spark plug, or the other thing that you can do is to rinse it. And there is so many times that you can rinse the spark plug kind to extend its life before you can actually replace it. What I use, so I would say 2 or 3 times it's okay doing that, and then replace the spark plug. It's a cheap part, but sometimes when you are in the field and a spark plug is the issue, that's a quick fix. So I'm using Deoxit, and it's good for removing oxidation, improve connection, and protect the surface. So I will spray a little bit, and I'm going to use a wire brush and brush it off whatever I can. Rinse it again. And really there is all to it. Gonna wipe it. Looks a lot better. Okay, that seems clean. Enough for me. I'm going to put it back. And the way to do it is first to put the spark plug, make sure that it's in the thread, not to use the power drill to start the thread because you might damage it. Okay, that seems enough, and I will complete that by using the power drill. For this one, I changed my gloves to disposable because I'm going to work with the oil inside the filter. I'll show you how. I already opened the back panel of this one. The filter was right here, and I removed it just from 2 clips. Easy as that. And you have to rinse it. You rinse it with warm water, not boiling, with soap. You work all the dirt out by massaging the sponge, and then you squeeze it, let it dry. I would say do it for several times so everything comes out. And then you take it out, let it dry, squeeze it, let it dry in the sun, or overnight. When the sponge is dry again, you put some oil on top of the sponge, just like that. And then you need to massage it so the oil finds its way to the rest of the sponge. Not too much oil, just a few, like I put, like the amount that I put is like 3-4 teaspoons, and that's about it. I mean, if you touch it, it's oily. And I'm going to clean both the inner part of the air casing and any leftovers of oil and dirt that I can find in the cover itself. Looks clean to me. Going to put it in the same way that I pulled it out, so it will go first here. Yeah, it looks clean. And the air filter is in. Okay, so we got new oil, we got clean spark plug, we changed the air filter. That's pretty much it for as far as maintenance. And I will wash everything with air pressure from inside and from outside. Close the 2 panels and go ahead and turn on the generator to see that it's working properly. Fuel is on, chock is on, and it should turn on pretty quick because we have a clean spark plug.